What's up, YouTubers? PokeJediTrek's here. So today I have another cooking video for you today. I am going to show you how to make chicken fried rice. So let's go over the ingredients. So here are the ingredients you're going to need. You're going to need some rice. You'll need some chicken breast, some vegetables. In this case, I'm using peas. And you're going to need some canola oil, so let's get started. Alright, so first things first, I recommend you bake the chicken. You're going to have to thaw out or bake your chicken before you can get to cooking the actual stuff. And then you're going to have to cook your rice. Cook up 3 cups of rice. Okay, so I tried to get this chicken as much baked as possible. I didn't want to over-bake it, because it's mainly meant to be used for frying. This rice is almost done, so now I'm going to take some canola oil and I'm going to pour it onto this pan right here. I'll make sure I spread it out. And then I need to preheat this to about medium-high heat. Let's say about 6. That'll work. One of the things you got to remember when you're, like I've been saying over and over again, is when you're cooking with really hot oil, you have to be extremely careful because the oil will pop and you are prone to getting burned. So whatever you do, be careful. Alright, so I just added all the rice to this pot. I'm going to set a timer for 5 minutes. I'm going to have to stir, and I'm going to have to keep stirring during this time. Alright, so far, I'm not doing a pretty good job. Even though I added a fairly decent amount of rice, I added a good amount of chicken. I'm just currently waiting for the veggies to be finished, so I can add those as well. So I just added some peas to this. Now I just gotta let this mix and mix it. So I let this cook for 2 minutes. Now I'm just gonna scoop it into a bowl and see how it turns out. Alright, so this is the final product right here on how I made it. So I'm gonna take a little taste test, see how it turned out. It's edible, but I would add some soy sauce, but I don't really favor soy sauce that much. But it was a good try though, because I've never made chicken fried rice before. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for tuning in. I hope to see you next time.